Hey guys, how you doing? It's Gio Gianta here, and I want to show you the easiest marketing system to be able to build your business with. And these are the tools that I build all my products off of, my traffic store, Profit Builders Traffic. And now we just added email to the platform, so you could do email marketing without paying monthly fees to things like Aweber, GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, everything like that. So what I'm going to show you in this video is actually how the emailer works and what you actually get when you get your hands on emailer. So what you're looking at right now is an import that I did because I'm in the process of transferring over my contacts from Aweber because I love Aweber. I've been using Aweber for about 10 years now, so I've been using it for a long time, but we have the in-house emailer now. And that is even better because we have email validation with our funnels. So that means every single lead that comes onto your funnel builder is going to be clean. You're going to have a clean list and clean people that you will email to, right? And this is from a Facebook YouTube list that I had. So these are all people that came from Facebook and YouTube. So you would think every single lead is clean. And normally when you are cleaning a list, you have to pay for that to be done, or you have to pay for email validation. This comes included with our emailer, right? So when you get this, this is what's going to happen. You're going to import your contacts, and as you can see right here, I had 836 contacts. Only 751 were imported because 6 were invalid, 20 were duplicates, and 59 were skipped because they were seen as risky. And this is search engine traffic, social media traffic, right? So that's the crazy part about this whole thing, right? And here's the context right here. I have it in privacy mode. I have not started sending emails out yet. I'm getting my contacts all together in here because our platform has no monthly fee. So how it works is it's a credit-based system to where you just buy credits and you only get charged for the emails that you actually send. So there's no monthly fees. Like I know with Aweber, GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, you're charged that amount based on the contacts that you have and how much you email, right? So you're charged per contact, right? And then if you have duplicate contacts like you saw that I had in that import, you're charged for those as well. So you want to make sure that you have a good email marketing platform, and with this you also get the funnel building tools, right? So I'm going to show you that in a second, but here's how cool this is. So here's the contacts, and here's the list that I have, right? So if I wanted to go and I wanted to move contacts, so I'm going to go into the Facebook YouTube list right here, and here's all those leads. If I wanted to go and move those contacts, is what I would do is I would select them like this, and then I could easily go and I could move them to a list, and I could select the kind of list that I want. And it makes it very, very easy. So if I wanted to move them to a test list, I could do that. If I wanted to move them to a certain list, I could easily do that, right? And I mean, inside of each contact, it's going to say, and there's a place in here to put, so here's the tags, right? So here's the tags where they came from. And then right here, it will put them into an autoresponder. It has a source of where they came from, right? So it says YouTube right here for John. And so it tells you that stuff. And, inside the contact, you could actually put the Facebook URL to the page, which is really cool. And then right here is the autoresponder portion. And then right here is the broadcast feature. So you could send out right here. And the cool thing about it is we have email, an email checker to check your emails to make sure that the emails that go out are not spam, and that make sure your deliverability is really good, right? So you have really good deliverability when you use our email platform, because you're going to be sending out good emails, which means the emails that you send out are going to end up in the inbox, which is what you want. In our forums, so on our pages, we have a special built-in protection, and we have email validation. So we have bot protection and email validation. We use Google reCAPTCHA 3, and we also use honeypot fields, right? So we make sure that you actually don't get any spam, and we have time-based detection as well. So anybody who comes through to your pages, they will be clean leads, right? So this prevents bots, this prevents everything when you use our system. And basically, if you don't use the email and credits, they're transferred to the next month. So you never run out, they never expire. You could build these up. You get a total of 300 when you first sign up for free. So you could send out, 300 emails for free, or you could add, 300 people to your emailer, and you won't get charged anything. But it's really cheap. It's like $15 for like 15,000 emails, right? That's really cheap. And you only use them when you need. Like, if it depends on how much you're emailing, right? That's a really cool thing about this platform is we don't charge you monthly fees. We make sure your emails are clean because there's email validation software, and normally places are charging for software like that, right? So if you want to actually learn more, then you're gonna go to the second link in the description of this video, and you'll find a page like this. You're going to want to put your information in, and then it's going to tell you all about the system. You could start with the system for only $35, and you get 2 weeks free of the coaching. And the $35 that you actually pay to get the emailer, you're going to also get the Funnel Builder tool, which is a funnel builder tool that I built everything off of. I have my traffic store built on here. I have all my products, my membership sites, everything like that on here. And the cool thing about it is when you come in here and you go down to the bottom, my web guy has built out pages for people to use, professionally designed pages that look very nice. Like, if you take a look at these, this is like a video, it's a video links page, and there's very nice pages in here that you can actually use for your business. Like, there's some very nice pages, and no other platform has this. This comes with that. So when you sign up for, $35, you have it. And if you book, meetings with people, we have a calendar widget. So you don't need anything like, Calendly or anything like that. This platform can replace things like high level, ClickFunnels, Aweber, GetResponse, all those things. It can replace all those. You don't need any AI tools because you get AI with that. So inside of our membership, you're going to have all the best AI tools as well. And you don't have to pay for them. We pay for the paid version, so you don't need them, right? That's the cool thing about using this system is you get the email, you get the funnel builder tool for only $35, and then you could actually earn $28 per month if people sign up and use the tools from the $35. That's a really cool thing about this. You can build everything off of here, and this says all your stats in here as well. So you can know who's using these funnels and everything like that. I have my store built on here. I have everything that I do built on this platform, and it's really cool because we help you every single day, and you get 2 weeks free of daily hands-on coaching where we go live over the shoulder. We show you things like how to write emails that serve and sell, how to connect with people on social media, how to create video content, how to rank that video content, how to actually get your videos seen, because it's important to get it up in the search engine so people actually find your content. We take you through that every single day so you know how to do marketing and you can actually get your questions answered, right? So if you want to get your hands on this so you could start using the funnel builder tool and the emailer, then go to the link in the description of this video, and you're going to go to this page right here, and you're going to put your information in, and then it's going to take you to learn more about what the system actually is, and it will save you tons of money, and it will make you money, which is our belief, right? We want to help people to make more money and spend less, right? Why spend more money when you don't have to? And make more money if you can, right? So we want to give you the best tools at the best prices, and so you can make the most amount of money. We pay 80% commissions across the board on everything that you own. So if you're ready to get your hands on that, then just go to the description of this video and put your information in, and you can learn more. All right, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. I have a link in the description to get into my free Facebook group. You could get into there. I also have a link for my traffic store. If you need some traffic, you could go to my description for that as well. And yeah, if you have any comments that you want to leave below, I will answer all the comments. Make sure you leave them below this video, or you can reach out to me on Facebook as well. All right, thank you for watching, and bye for now.